Hi guys, good morning, and here is an update from CBSE wherein the curriculum of class 10 board examination has been drastically reduced up to 35%, and the new syllabus is visible on your screen now. So let's move on ahead and let me show you what all things, items, chapters has been deleted. Okay, so now the bifurcation of syllabus is as follows. Reading skills comprises writing skills in grammar and literature textbooks with supplementary reading text. Now there is no changes at all in unseen passages. It comprises of 20 marks, and like you will get paragraph based on factual data. So that will be a discursive passage of 400 to 500 words and the intention behind giving this type of passage in CBSE curriculum is to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary, like what is your comprehension skills, and 10 out of the 12 questions to be answered. So you will get 12 questions to attempt and 10 has to be attempted. Now, and post that is those 10 questions comprises of 1 marks each, and post that multiple choice question based on a case based factual passage. So you will get multiple choice questions of 10 marks, that is 1 marks for each 10 questions. So 20 marks is clear from passage. Now moving on ahead, literature textbook. Literature comprises of 10 marks and grammar comprises of 10 marks. Now in literature, they will give you multiple choice question based on extract from drama and prose, that is again 5 questions of 1 marks each, and again multiple choice question based on extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. So you need to go through each and every chapter of the poems very carefully, because you will definitely get 5 questions out of that. So these are the sure shot marks wherein you are supposed to get full out of full marks. Now in grammar, few portion has been deleted, like passive voice, clauses, noun, verb clause, relatives and prepositions. The 3 topics has been clearly omitted. So what we need to focus is on tenses, modals, subject verb concurred, reported speech and determiners. And next part comprises of writing section, descriptive paragraph of 100 and 120 words on a person or a diary entry. So as usual, it was already there in our old curriculum, diary entry or descriptive paragraph, and marks allotted is 5. And then story writing based on the given cues. So earlier it was of 10 marks, now they have reduced the marks to 5. And what is deleted? Later on a situation, descriptive paragraph. So you just need to focus on diary writing and story writing. Now our literature, 4 out of the 6 short questions type answers to be answered in 20 to 30 words each. Means you need to attempt 4 questions and the 4 questions will comprise 2 marks each, so total 8 marks. And again 4 out of the 6 short type answer question to be answered in 40 to 50 words, so a bit lengthy, and 4 questions of 3 marks each. So at the very first instance 4 questions of 2 marks and then 4 questions of 3 marks. So 8 marks plus 12 marks, that is 20 marks, and 1 long type answers from Beehive for 5 marks, and 1 long type questions from Movements for again 5 marks. So total is 30 marks from literature. Now these are the few chapters which has been deleted from your textbook: Lake Isle of Innisfree, Snake and the Mirror, Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, and the Slumber Did My Spirit Sail. And in Movements, 2 chapters deleted: Ishwan the Storyteller and the Accidental Tourist. And that's all. So total we can say that almost 5 chapters from Beehive and 2 chapters from Movement. Total 7 chapters has been omitted in the perspective of corona epidemic. So this is the best time to score 95% marks in each of the subjects, guys. So you need to focus more and more on reading skills, comprehension skills, and just go through the literature completely and finish the entire syllabus at least thrice before the end of December. And in this way you will be able to score 95% marks out of 100. Thank you.